I'm Vaidyanathan. I'm the President Sales of Vox Building Products India. I've been in this industry for the last 29 years, both in India and abroad. I was in the Gulf for a long time. By qualification, I'm a management graduate as well as a cost and management accountant. And it's my pleasure to be with Vox for the last 3 years and hopefully trying to grow this business to a big company and a great product for all architects and interior designers. We started Vox in 2018. The first year was actually the business formation, and we started selling in the year 2019 by appointing very good distributors and dealers all over the country. And we started doing well by 2019 end and 2020 beginning. That's when the lockdown hit us. So for about 4 months, like everyone else, we were also stuck and we didn't have much of sales and things like this. But at the same time, we were very happy to say that even during that time, Vox was very good in the sense that we never had to make anybody redundant and we were paying the salaries and we came out of that. And in 2021, although there was a short lockdown for about 1 or 2 months, we were not affected and we did extremely well. And 2022-23 promises to be even much better. And what we are very pleased about is the products that we have introduced are very new in the market. This is not something that people have seen. And also architects and interior designers really love this product. And because it gives a very good solution to them, what they've been looking for in their design and so on. So that's what I think has been a major milestone from our side as Vox. All the products that we manufacture are actually polymer-based and they're all imported from Europe. When we bring them here, we have huge stocks here. One of the main products that we offer is actually ceilings. For example, these ones that you see here. These are wood-like ceilings. They look like wood, but they are better than wood in the sense that when you touch them, it feels like wood, but at the same time, without the problems of wood. So you don't have to polish it, you don't have to varnish it. It's very easy to install. It's very maintenance-friendly. So that's one of the products that we have, which is called the Vox Soffits. Then we have the Herad Deco, which is this one for internal walls, which resemble stone, which resemble marble, which resemble wood and so on. Again, totally maintenance free, easy to install, very lightweight. And we also have introduced Max 3. Max 3 is an external facade product, again similar to wood, but the same totally maintenance free. Then we also have SPMO and PVC skirtings. And these are the products that we have in offering right now, but we're also bringing in more product, like for example, SPC floors, SPC walls, and Kera front, which is again going to be a very good facade product. So these are the products that we have brought into the market, and all of them very novel. So we don't have any major competitors in each of those segments. We entirely bring new concepts to Indian market. The last 3 years, with the kind of success that we have seen, we have actually started our manufacture. The manufacturing plant is already on. By March of 2023, we'll have most of the products manufactured in India, and we can assure you the quality that we'll be making in India will be as good as the European or even better. In terms of revenue, 2021 was a good year for us, but 22-23 is going to be about something like 3x of whatever we did. And in terms of brand, we're actually looking for the next 10 or 15 years. So we want to be a brand which is going to be in India for a long time to come, and a brand which is going to be in the reckoning. So we're going to be one of the top companies in interior and exterior solutions in India. I wouldn't like to call ourselves PVC products because PVC has got a lot of different products and which are also cheaper in the making, which come from various parts of the country. So we are actually calling ourselves a polymer-based product. And these are not the typical PVC that is available in the market, which can actually crack and things like this. Ours is a product which you can bend, nothing will happen. You can use them for external facade product. You can use them in sunlight. We give a 10-year guarantee, absolutely no problem. And we have done about 5,000 projects in India, maybe even 5,500 projects in India, small and big. And we have got absolutely no complaints. So that is something we are very proud of. And we also have a back-end team. Now we have 2 civil engineers in the office who are able to take out the quantities, or able to do renderings and things like this and support them. And we also have a team of about 4 to 5 site supervisors who are able to train people, installers, as well as supervise the sites. So these are the kind of facilities that we are able to offer to the market. Our office is based in Bangalore, so we started from the south, so we are very strong in south, and slowly we have also got reasonably good response from the north and east as well. East also in Calcutta and Bhubaneswar, we have been there for some time now. So I can say strong points south and west, but we are a pan-India company. We are present everywhere, and we got a sales team and distribution network everywhere. We have done Vadwa towers, 2 towers in Bombay about 3 years ago, And these are 20-story towers, and as you know, in Mumbai, the last 2 years, there have been a lot of storms and things like this, but the products has been absolutely untouched. And Vadva builders are again calling us for future projects. This is one thing that we want to do. This is about the Soffits. But if you're talking about Max 3 recently, which is the external facade product, we have done a school in Bangalore, which is in the shape of a circular. So for us to be able to, we were able to bend the product and use it. It's looking absolutely wonderful. Actually, at Vox, what we have done is, earlier, if you remember the ceilings, especially external ceilings, we didn't have any good products for external ceilings. So ceilings were actually by and large interior products. So when you come to external, for example, the balconies, terraces and porticos, people were just leaving it empty or just painting it. So we were able to create this category by Vox, where people are able to use our products for external ceiling surfaces. So what we are actually doing is we are actually increasing the size of the building material industry. That is what we have done. I think that is one of our major contributions to this particular industry. But the kind of problems that we are solving is that our products are totally waterproof. You can dip them in a bucket of water for 1 month, nothing will happen. So you can use them internally in places like Kerala and Guwahati, where there's raining always, absolutely no problem. And it's very easy to install and absolutely no maintenance. So these are some things that we are able to contribute to the industry. Our external products as well as our ceiling products can be used anything between -20 to +60 degrees. And we are a company who have been selling for the last 32 years. We have not been there in the market for 2 years or 1 year, something like this. We have been there for the last 32 years in Europe. And in India, we've been there for the last 3 years. And we are selling in more than 60 countries. And we are sold in every kind of environment. If you talk about India, we sold in every kind of climate. For example, we sold them in Rajasthan, we sold them in Delhi, we have sold them in Guwahati, in Kerala, in Chennai, Hyderabad, everywhere. Hot climates, cold climates, wet areas, everywhere. Absolutely no problems. We give a 10-year guarantee and we stand by it. One thing good about it is we don't have to develop new products because, like I said, we are a 30-year-old company. So the products that we are offering you are all very tried and tested products. So it's not like I've developed it yesterday and brought to the market today. They're all 30-year-old products that we have tested in various kind of conditions. But what we are doing is we are bringing those products which are very suitable for India and where the customers can also afford our kind of products. We are a premium product company, but we are not an unaffordable product. We are an affordable product where the architect or interior designer can specify or the customers can buy it and use it. So we are a premium company, but at the same time we are quite affordable. In terms of strategy, we have a team which is meeting architects and interior designers. That is one. And we participate in a lot of exhibitions and events. Every month at least we participate in about 3 or 4. And we have lots of dealers and distributors everywhere, all over the country. So they themselves are presenting it to the customers. And we have showrooms. We have around 90 distributors and we have around 700 showrooms all over the country where our product is displayed. And we don't like to show samples. What we like to show, we like to show proper display. For example, the one that you are here, we like to show the full display. And we are very strong in digital marketing, and we also work with many channels like yourselves, and where we are able to show our products where the customer can see it, and then we get some inquiries. On an average day, we get about 80 to 100 inquiries all over the country, which our team will follow, distributors follow and close the orders. See, as you know, in larger cities, the space is little less. It's the tier 2 and tier 3 cities where people have larger spaces where they want our kind of products. Having said this, we are very strong in all these big cities, but tier 2 and tier 3, they are the larger spaces. And also the aspirational customers, they come to us. For example, somebody has got a large space in tier 2 and he wants some latest products, he wants the European product. That is where we are able to come into the picture. Tier 2 and tier 3 are very, very important for our business. We are available in every city, or we want to be in every city. But of course, India is a very large country. We are not there everywhere. But we really like to associate with distributors and dealers in any kind of small town also. So they can get in touch with us via our website, which is vox.india, or they could call us also. And then we are available in digital marketing, so they can send us a WhatsApp message and somebody will call them, and we'll be happy to associate with them either as a distributor where they will stock the material, or as a dealer who can buy it from the distributor.